It is raining outside, so I had to pull out the GoPro. Wait a minute, I know you can't see me. It's raining outside, so I had to pull out the GoPro, guys. We're gonna go in here, see what we can find. It's a day in the life. It's a day in the night, actually. I mean, actually, it's a night in the life right now because it is nighttime. Yeah, we're gonna see what we can find and see what we can add to the shipments that's already at the house. I'm just gonna fast forward. Let's get in there and let's make some money. All right, let's go. And matter of fact, if you haven't subscribed yet, why are you not subscribed yet? I mean, subscribe already and hit the bell while you at it. Singing in the rain, singing in the rain, yeah. Singing in the rain, yeah. Singing in the rain, yeah. Let's see what we can find, baby.
I've been that guy lately. You are not used to me. I'm not your guy, baby. You are not used to me. OG told me never trip when you're low, just move low key. So anytime you see me, just remember, yeah, you are not used to me. Losing myself in the music, it's amazing. It's amazing how I kill it every time. I'm the one, only one, no second guessing. How to make the money with the money, that's a money lesson. I be talking to my own reflection, get it, gotta go. Ain't nobody bigger, V54 with a bad. Gotta switch to psycho, RP to Michael. I can see the lights flow, even with my eyes closed. I deserve everything I get, no hype though. I be on my right word shit, no typos. Living all the highlights of a blessed life, so you are not used to my shit. I'm way up in this bitch like the iPhone. Yeah. I've been that guy lately. You are not used to me. I'm not your guy, baby. You are not used to me. OG told me never trip when you're low, just move low key. So anytime you see me, just remember, you are not used to me. Oh no, no. You are not used to me. I know every city I go. You are not used to me. Nigga wanna give me for my bankroll, but you are not used to me. I can tell you one thing you don't know. You are not used to me.
Drop 100 G's on the table.
In the middle of the living room.
This is one of those moments where, even though it's raining, you feel on top of the world because you got a big score. Family, you see this bag? I just paid $4 for each of these items in this bag, $4 a piece, and they're gonna make me $25 plus profit on each one. And I bought 12 of them, and I'm coming back to get more. They're saying they get more in tomorrow, and she's gonna give them to me for the same price. She took off money because I'm buying all of them. I told them when you get the rest, I'm coming to get them all, and she took off $2. They were $6. I still would have made a crazy profit, but she took them down to $4. So I bought each of these for $4, and I'm making $25 profit on each one, and I already bought 12. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna come and get like 20 more. Guys, this is what we do it for. Let's go. Let's go, Fib! Let's go! Let's go! What's poppin', family? This is the first time I've ever had to do this, and I hate it. Okay, family, so this is the first time I've ever had to do this, and I don't feel good about it, but I cannot show you the products that's behind this camera right now. Guys, this is insane. Basically, just to be quick about it, I found one item, right, that was selling for $6, and I told the lady I'll buy them off if she can drop the price, and she dropped them to $4 a piece, brand new, and they're gonna make me $26 profit. I bought 12 of them because that's all she had in the front. She said she has more in the back, but the store was closing. I gotta go back tomorrow morning, and she's gonna bring me in the back. Then, on top of that, she comes out with a cousin item of that item and said, hey, this company also gave me this, right? And then she said, here, you want this too? And I'm so sprung off the first item. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna make like $2,600 if she has 100 of them at least. I'm gonna make like $2,600, right? And I'm making, either way, I'm making $26 profit on a $4 investment. And then I'm sprung off of that product. She shows me the other product. I'm like, nah, I don't care about that, right? I want the one I seen. But, however, little do I know. Well, first off, she says, no, take it for free. Because she knows what I do. I go there all the time. And I'm actually trying to work out a deal with her if she lets me handle her online sales. Because she doesn't have anyone doing that. So I'm trying to like start this new business venture out where I handle people's like local stores, like bargain stores, online sales. It's something I'm trying to do. So I talked to her and she was like, okay, she told me to take the other product for free, one of them. She said I have so many, hundreds probably in the back, hundreds, right? So I said, okay, I take it home. I said, thank you, right? I take it home and I'm so hyped up about the first product that I found that I know I'm gonna go back tomorrow to get. I tell my wife about it. I'm like, look, babe, yo, I'm about to make a crazy flip on this, right? And then, so the other product I was just gonna give to her, and she said, you don't want to look it up? I said, all right. I look it up, guys. The product is gonna make me $21 in profit, but get this, she's about to put it on the store, in her store. She's about to sell it for $2, and then she told me she has so many. If I come back tomorrow to buy them all, she'll sell them to me for $1 a piece. They're gonna make me they're gonna make me $21 profit, and get this, on both of the items. I'm talking lower than a 2,000 or 2,500 sales rank. Lower. And for most categories, anything lower than 10,000, you're selling hundreds a month. Guys, I already did the math on both of them. One of them sells 530 times a month. The other one sells 600 and something times a month. And there's only like 2 other sellers on each of the items. Guys, I'm looking at probably, if she has 100, I hope she has 100 of one of them. I'm easily gonna make over $2,000 on a $100 investment. Over $2,000 on the other product, and then on the first one, on a $400 investment, I'm gonna be making close to $2,700 profit. $2,700 profit on a $400 investment. So that means in total, I'm gonna spend about $500. And this is if she has that many. I don't know how many she has. Tomorrow I'm gonna bring the camera. So stay tuned for the vlog tomorrow, because I'm gonna bring the camera tomorrow. I can't show you right now, just because local people that know me know what I do, and I'm teaching people. I don't want them to go there and try to undercut me. So guys, I'm sorry I can't show you this one, but you guys will see it eventually. I'm gonna show you eventually. And another thing is, I might even save a few to give away for those of you guys that have been rocking with me, subscribe with me. So by the way, if you're not subscribed to the strongest family on YouTube, the strongest reselling online making money family on YouTube, you better hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. Back to what I was saying. Yeah, so I'm going tomorrow to see how many exactly she has, but she did say she said at least 100 of the other ones, so I'm looking, hopefully she does have at least 100. I'm gonna make at least $2,000 if she has 100 of each of them. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm looking at close to about $4,800 on a $500 investment, guys. If that, because she might even bring it down more if I'm gonna buy everything tomorrow. So yeah. So on a $500 investment, $4,800 profit. Not oh yeah, look, I forgot to add that P word. Profit, guys. So when I say 2,100 profit, and on the other one 2,700 profit. It's gonna get crazy. Make sure you tune in tomorrow, guys. and I'm sorry that I can't show you. Oh, and along with all the other products I found at the Goodwill, I didn't get this from the Goodwill either. The other products I found from the Goodwill, I got a product over there that's gonna make me $100 profit. I got another one that's gonna make me about $50. I got some stuff over there, guys. I told you what season it is. You guys gotta listen. You have to go and go hard. Go and go hard, guys. It's not a coincidence that I keep finding these products. You know why? It's because I grind. From sun up to sundown, I am grinding. When I'm in the house, I am thinking of new ways to do stuff. And then while I'm laying down, I'm thinking about stores I'm gonna hit tomorrow. I just do this, guys. So it's not about. It's just about just the grind, like the willpower, guys. So, you know, like the store was closing, and I went to go scan these last products, and boom. After finding a couple products that I didn't even buy, honestly, there were some products there that I didn't even buy, and I'm gonna buy those tomorrow as well. I just forgot. I just told her to keep those off because the store was closing. I filled up my carts with these products that's making me $24 profit. That there was a few products there that I didn't even buy. That one of them is gonna make me about $90 in profit. It was like this dehydrator. Like, you guys know, if you got any of you guys know what a dehydrator is, like you can dehydrate fruit and stuff. It was a really expensive one, and yeah, so, and it's gonna make me about $90 in profit, guys, and she's selling it to me for $7. So yeah, brand new. Guys, this shit is real. I mean, follow the team. I'm telling you, and we got to get to 10K subscribers, guys. I'm gonna be trying to get more and more creative with the YouTube videos that I upload, guys. I'm gonna try to give you guys more and more content. Stay tuned. This channel is about to get really, really interesting, guys. We're gonna do it up. Yeah, that being said, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Game over. Money stacking for too long.